Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to reset a Toshiba portable air conditioner. First, make sure your air conditioner is turned off. Use the power button on the unit or on the remote. Now that the unit is off, unplug it from the wall outlet. This step is very important because it makes the unit lose all power and allows a full reset of internal electronics. Wait for about 10 to 12 seconds while the unit stays unplugged. After you have waited, plug the power cord back into the wall socket. Many Toshiba portable models will start fresh after this power removal and reconnect. If your model remote has a reset button, press and hold the reset button on the remote for a few seconds until you see the display on the air conditioner respond or the indicator lights blink. This tells the unit to clear its last settings and return to default. If your remote does not have a reset button, simply turning the unit off, waiting, and reconnecting power also works as a reset method. Now press the power button to turn your air conditioner on again. Watch the display and see if it starts normally. Try changing the temperature and mode to test if the reset helped. Thanks for watching.